Smart moves start here, business owners. You've boosted your website's visibility and traffic with SEO. Great work. But here's the thing, SEO isn't a one-time fix. To stay competitive and keep climbing the rankings, you need ongoing SEO maintenance. That's why we created the SEO Essentials Maintenance Package. Just $249 per month to keep your site optimized and ahead of the game. Here's what's included. Monthly fresh content creation. Regular keyword research and implementation. On-page SEO updates. Technical SEO monitoring and fixes. SEO competitor tracking. Google Search Console and analytics monitoring. Local SEO enhancements. Basic backlink analysis and strategy. If you're ready to stay on top of search rankings and keep growing your business, click the link in the description and let's get started. Keep your SEO fresh. Keep your business growing. For questions, reach out at admin@boostkings.com.au or call +61 48 92 26422. We're here to help.